Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al once again. I got something freaking awesome in the vise. It's a challenge lock. It doesn't have a name or a number, so I put unknown, but it's from Potti314, and it's really special because I looked in my book. I keep a book on locks that I've picked, at least the challenge locks, and I believe this is the first one I've ever had or ever tried from Potti314, so I think that's just badass. Really cool because I love trying different people's creations. And this one here, I believe it was sent to me by William Mansell. So thank you, buddy, for sending that to me. It's so cool, so cool. Like I said, there's no identifiers. There wasn't no name or number. Just the tag that says pinned by Potti314. Here's the bitting on the key. Pretty wicked. I remember trying it when I first got them locks from William. I tried a couple of them. I don't remember getting this one open, but we'll give it a shot anyways. Like I said, there's the bitting on the key. It does work like a brand new lock. Honestly, there's no hang up whatsoever, so it doesn't feel nasty, but with that kind of bitting, and well, we'll see. I am going to need, let's see, probably, I'm sure one of my thick ones aren't going to fit in this. I will try to use top because I may have to, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to go off that ledge on this thing, for at least for the whole lock. That one will fit, okay. So I'm going to go with top. It'll keep the tensioner out of my way so I can use as much as I can out of the lock. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm going to start off with the gem. So get started. Bada boom, bada bing. Get a little feel for it. Yeah, we got a few binders, so let me go ahead and recock and let's get at it. Got a little click already on. Let's see. It's hard to get in there. That's why I was saying I may need to go off the bottom with one of the SS Devs or something. We'll see. We'll cross that road when we get to it. I got a little bit of a turn. I touched something back there. I got some major counter on too. Got to try it. It felt all right. Yep, got a nice turn already. 5 or 4, let's see. See if I can get in the back there. Oh. Trying to make the pick turn. There we go. I got a nice little turn on that core, I'll tell you what. I'll take that all day long. That felt nasty. Let's see. 2. If I can stay on that ledge. 3, 4, 5. Huh. Six. If it is a 6. 5, 4, 3. Huh. Nice. Little booger, huh? It's a crunchy monkey. Still got a nice turn on that core. I'm going to try to hang on to that. Felt like 5 set. Huh. I'm not really feeling anything else. The lock kind of died on me. It's not giving me... Oh, there we go. We got it. Awesome. Freaking awesome. It died there for a second. I thought it was game over, honestly. Okay, we got it. We got it. I'll take that. I'll take it. Okay, badass. Let me get back down a little bit here. Bada boom, bada bang. Yeah, buddy. Freaking awesome. Oh, I wanted to show off too. You see the new backdrop back there? I've redone the whole thing. I'm gonna wrap it. It wraps all the way back here now, and it's made out of metal, so I can stick my tools on with magnets. So I think it came out nice and clean. All right, enough of that, huh? Let's get down here. Bada boom, bada bing. And what do we got? We got blue on top this time. Blue pin and tray. All right. Come in a little bit, I guess. There we go. That's gooder. Okay. So we're very much open. We do got a key, yep, so we can lock it back up. And kind of clip we got. We might be able to use... Oh, it's already kind of bent up. So, let's see. Let me try to use this. Might be able to just grab the edge of it and fling it off. Yep, there we go. That'll work. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's get a key in there. And we do got a nice, there's a heck of a gap right back here, so I'm going to go ahead and definitely try to get a shim in that bad boy. Nice. Okay. See what we got. The right size? Yeah, we're good. Little 5-pinner. And they all needed picking. Where am I at? Right here. All needed picking. Let's get them laid out. See what we got. Tell you what, these had some work done to them. 5. That one flips around like so. This one flips around like so. Alright, let me get some eyes on. Bada boom, bada bang. My little tool. And on the core we've got, whoops, we've got you know what, I don't know if that's, I'm not sure what's going on there. They kind of look like they're cut, but there's no lip. There's not really a lip to grab. So if they're undercut, they're really shallow. I'm not, really feeling the tool grab on them, but it could be. Well, that's what we got. All right, get that shim out of there. Bada boom, bada bang. Some tweezers. Let's see what we got upstairs, huh? Whoop, that one just popped right up. Let's see, we can figure that out. Oh yeah. It's a spool, so we can figure out how that went pretty easy. Alright. Where are we at? Oh, man, I'm losing track of the camera here. Number 2. Nice sharp top on that sucker right there. Let me scoot these down a bit here. Alright. Spring. Same kind, another spool with a sharp end on it. Looks like a different kind of spring. Oh yeah, nice. A spoolie serrated combobulation. Really well done, man. Really well made. They look really good. And the one in the back, which would be 5, is a, so it looks like serrated, I'd call that serrated. Again, another really nicely made one. And I'm going to pretty much guess there's nothing done up top, but I'll feel anyways. No mods in the Bible. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. Let's put this like so, if we can. Oh, leave that off. That was the unknown. Doesn't have a name or a number, but it was pinned by Potti314 and sent to me by William Mansell. I appreciate it. Alright, let me go over here and come in on the pins a little bit here. I am freaking losing track of this camera right here. I don't know why. Alright, key pins. We've got a almost spool-like, you can call that, on number 1. 2 looks like a, honestly, there's a real fine serration on the top of that right there. Just a little slight ring. 3 standard. 4, we'll call that a spool for sure. Nice sharp cap on it. 5 is a standard. Ooh, that's steel. That's a piece of steel. That's magnetic. That 5th pin right there is a piece of metal. That's a trip. That's probably a first. Drivers, a spool with some serrations in it, so serrated spool. 2, I'd call that spool-like. It's not real long, but it's definitely too wide to call it a serration. The same with this. I'd call that a spool with a really sharp end on it. And 3. 4, serrated spool because it's spooled in the middle with serrations on the end, so I'd call that serrated spool. Number 5 is, I'll call that multi-serrated in number 5. And then the springs, we got, seems like all copper or brass because the tool's not sticking to them. Okay, that's what we got, y'all, from Potti314. Thank you so much. And William, thanks for sending it to me because I believe this was my first one from Potti314. So freaking awesome. Loving it. All right, y'all. By the way, I just ordered some stuff today for, let me set this down. I ordered the stuff today from Sparrows for my 200 subscriber giveaway. And I will be, as soon as I get the stuff actually here at the house, in my possession, I will then post a video about the 200 subscriber giveaway and what I will be giving away. I'm not going to hint to it yet until I get it here. Like I said, I'll make a video and then we'll go from there as far as picking the winner for the 200 subscriber giveaway. Until then, thank you all so much for watching, tuning in, subscribing, the thumbs ups, the comments. I love it all, man. So let's keep this thing going. Big Al, signing out.